Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diam, and today I have my husband here with us again. Hi. Say hi, buddy. Got my baby P with me. We are at our new house. They have started doing the framing, so we are going to go in there and write our scriptures down. We're really excited about that because this morning we spent some time, me and my boo, to find scriptures that really mean a lot to us for each room. So it really made us feel even more excited about moving into our new house soon. So we're also going to bring you along just to show you a little bit of our house, give you a sneak peek of it. We're just going to enjoy this time. Today is Parker's first time going into the house, so we're excited to show him and his new room and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so we're just looking forward to it. If you're interested in this type of content, continue to watch. Thank you. Bye. Park.
Yes.
Are you excited to see your new house?
Yay.
Yay! You excited to see your new room?
Yay.
Yeah? Let's do this.
Go.
You already know where you're going.
You already know where you're going. It's not that way. Let's do this. Start. Oh, shoot. Come on, boo-boo. He got a little band-aid on his face because he fell off the bed last night and hit a toy. When he fell off the bed. So he got a little scrape. So I put an antibiotic band-aid on there to hopefully speed up the healing process. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so welcome to our house. So babe is coming through the...
Hi.
Hi! So babe is coming through the door, obviously the front door. So when you come through the front door, immediately to our left is our dining room. So this is our dining room space. I always talk to Mike about the space, how I really have the intention on using this space for us to eat. He can bet on us really not using this space, so we'll have to see. But yeah, this is our dining room space. Love this. And then to the right here, of course, is just the entryway wall. So I'll probably put a console table. Well, not probably, I will put a console table right here as you enter the house. Alright, so we are in our living area, and by the way, I'm not going to give you guys a full empty house tour or a full tour right now. I do plan on giving you guys a tour when we move in and officially get the keys, but right now I'm just going to show you guys briefly and quickly our house, just some of the areas. This right here is our living room area, and off to the back right here is our kitchen area. Of course, this long piece of wood is our island. That's our island right here, and towards the back of me is going to be our cabinetry. And then right here to the right is where we started off into our dining room. So right off from our kitchen, we have the nook area, which we've already bought a really cute table from CB2 that we're going to put right here. And this is where Mike thinks that we are going to be spending more time eating at. And he might be right. He might be right on that. But that's okay too. And right here is our morning room. Love this space. Mike was the one who really wanted to get this space. And I'm so happy that we did, because it's just opened it up more and just gave us so much natural sunlight, which we like. So right here, again, this is the living room. I wanted to show you guys a different angle of it. Right here we have our fireplace, and then of course we have a window right here. We did have an option to put an extra window right here, but because we got the morning room, we weren't able to get a window right here. So, but yeah, this is our living space, and I love that I can finally have a fireplace. I had to get that. I'm looking forward to cozy nights around the fireplace with the family. So coming through this way, we have our mud room off to our left.
Right.
It's my left. Off to my left. And then right to my right is going to be my office space. So come on through, boo. Come on, boo-boo. So, I just stepped in the spider web. So, this area right here is my office space. I love this area so much. It has so much natural light in here. So I'm looking forward to filming more videos in here, planning my content out, and just everything involving the office and like some getaway space for me. I love it. So yeah, this is my office. And then also behind Mike is a bathroom with a shower in there as well, because this could have been, or it can be, a guest room or an additional bedroom as well. All right, so we about to go down to the basement. I'm gonna let my hubby take that over because that's gonna be his main room.
Alright, so we in the basement. Pretty spacious basement. We're probably using it for a lot of entertaining and a lot of downtime. Outside of like the bedroom and the living room area. When you first come down the stairs, directly to the right is another full bathroom. It'll have a tub / shower along with a pantry.
A pantry?
I mean, not pantry.
A linen closet?
Linen closet, my bad. Linen closet. You know, toilet sink, all that good stuff. So y'all have to run all the way upstairs. So all of this space will be pretty much open. We'll have an entertaining area, sofa, big TV on that side. On this side, we're gonna have probably like a pool table, bar seating and surrounding. TVs, you know, we'll hook it up pretty nice for our guests. And then this area is gonna be my area, with me streaming and also doing YouTube content. We felt it was necessary to definitely have me a dedicated space, and not just for that, but even just to work from home too. I work from home, so this would be a nice little dedicated area to where I can just relax, do me, chill, be away from them. And then coming back around this other side of the basement, it's going to be a door right here leading into this unfinished part, which we are going to get finished ourselves, but half of it's going to be storage, half of it's going to be whatever we decide to make it. We discussed it the other day. We might think about doing like a hair area, because I cut my own hair, I cut his hair, and you know, Diamond does her own hair, so. Yeah, we were actually thinking like right here, let me back up so you guys can see the space. So right here is a nice open space. We didn't really know what we could use it for, but Mike had that great idea to like make this a hair station. So like he said, he cuts Parker's hair, he cuts his own hair, and I do my own hair. So that'd be perfect, a dedicated space, so we don't, you know, have to travel. And anybody who does their own hair already know like what comes with all of that, all the different supplies and everything will have a house to itself right here in this area. So I thought that was a great idea. Nice little salon chair with a mirror. Yeah. Some good lights or whatever. Then the rest back here is storage or whatever we decide to make it. It's pretty spacious. And in our townhome, we didn't have any storage area, and excuse the echoes. Obviously, there's nothing in here, so I'm echoing a bit, but we didn't have any storage area, so we are definitely looking forward to having this room to utilize for like Christmas decorations and furniture that we may not be using right now. Access like detergent and Clorox wipes and all that kind of good stuff. We'll have that space to utilize for storage, so love that. Other than that, that's it. Pretty spacious basement. It's probably our main space other than you know, the second floor, but this will definitely be the fun and relaxation type of area. That's the goal we're looking for. Yes, and we are a party household. We love having company, we love entertaining, so we are looking forward to utilizing this space for that type of environment, you know, when the world does open back up, or, you know, to that capacity, at least to host our friends and our family. So, all right, so we're gonna head back upstairs and I'll finish the rest of the tour. So we are in Parker's bedroom.
It's a great space for him. You like your room, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. So we feel like this is a great space for him. You know, he can grow into it. He'll start off with a twin bed, and then hopefully just progress. And we feel like it will still be a decent amount of space. For
get over
him.
here.
Come here, boo. And he also has a walk-in closet, which Mike, you can just, you don't have to come in, but you can just see us right here. This is a walk-in closet. Hold on, Duda. This is a walk-in closet. He has like a little window right here. That's why they tell you don't bring these ones here.
Yeah, he too geeked up right now.
He's too geeked up and he just acting like it. His shoes getting all messed up. But it's alright. We got this. Alright, go on, boo. Coming out his room, his bathroom is to the left. It's a double sink bathroom, which is great. And then if you keep on walking to the right, we have our laundry room. So glad it's a laundry room and not a closet, you know. So looking forward to having that finally, and also doing some upgrades in that room. So I'm very excited about that. And then as we keep on walking, we have an additional bedroom in here. So we can use this as a spare bedroom, a guest bedroom, a future bedroom for another child, if God willing. Yeah, so we have that here. All right, and then onto our master bedroom. And just to let you guys know, this is about to be a tight bedroom because we're going to have 2 double doors to walk into our master bedroom. Me and my boo. Come on, boo. Let's show them our space. Alright, so this is our space. We love it. It's not huge. They did have options to have, like, you know, the master bedroom with like the side area that you can have a TV in, all that kind of stuff. Me and Mike, we didn't really want that. We like having like a cozier bedroom. So this is perfect for us. Walking in here is our master bathroom. So we have sinks on both sides, which is great for us to have our own sinks. Then we have a tub in the middle, of course, the toilet area, and our shower. This is what moms do. We use toys as pointers. Come on, and bring it into our closet. And this is our master closet. And this is a great space. We are really excited about this space. My parents recently got their closet built out. So me and Mike have been thinking about doing that for our closet as well. We think you'll be able to utilize a lot more space instead of having like those white wire racks around here. So we're thinking about actually pouring some money into getting our closet built up. So we're excited about that as well. Alright, and last but not least is Parker's playroom. So this right here is Parker's playroom area. So this is going to be the space that we're going to use for all his toys. He'll have a dedicated space to actually play in, house his toys, so it won't be all around the house, but you know how that goes. So yeah.
We all got our dedicated area.
We all got our dedicated area, which is great. Yeah, so we're excited. Like me and Mike talk about all the time. We feel like this house is just so functional for us. The amount of rooms that we have in here allows us all to have our own space, and it just allows us, it makes sense for our family pretty much. So we're just really excited. It's definitely a huge blessing for us, and we just cannot wait so we can actually get the keys and move into this space. And of course, I can't wait to start decorating. So if you're interested in that type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel because that content is coming soon, and it's gonna be a lot of that. I'm really excited about it. But yeah, we're about to get into why am I using this as a mic? But we're about to get into writing the scriptures around the house, so stay tuned for that.
You excited to move?
Yeah.
Yeah? Get a bigger house?
Yeah.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
I can go.
What is it? Football?
Yes. I look.
I see. You took it off. You broke it. Congratulations.
Alright, so we went around the house and we just marked it up with our scriptures. So we are about to get out of here, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the sneak peek of the house. An empty house tour will follow, and also decorating videos like I did mention. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye.